ESL, IT, and business professionals. Here is a really important English communication that's going to make your English so much better. I want you to think about framing. Before you speak, don't just speak directly always. Don't just say, oh, we need to change this. Frame it. Well, I've been listening to your ideas. They're very good. However, I want to recommend this change. I really think we should consider this change. Maybe you're doing a presentation to a team and you say, well, hey everyone, because of this, we really now have to do this. So because of this, we are framing the conversation, deflate the defensiveness. We take the conflict out of it. We are not adversarial. We are cooperative, but we also lead. Join our free community. Get tips like this. Start speaking. Remember, Pareto's rule, 80-20. 80% of the results come from 20% of your effort. 20%. Speak, speak, speak. Record yourself. Get a little better every day.